I would like to share to you our simple process queuing system done in Excel. So as you can see in the screen, it shows the usage or usability of the queuing system for every clinics. So it starts first in collecting the data in our queuing system. So we have business intelligence here that has a generate report features, which gives me the dialog box for selecting the inclusive date. So let's say I select January 1 and I select for today. It will give me the raw data of every entries, which it has date, clinics, and doctors. For this time, as you can see, usually the hand clinic is same for the clinics is same to doctors. For we are aiming in the future a queuing system for every doctors. For now, we only have for every clinics. Okay, so moving forward, we have a column here, process. So this is the success queuing tickets, or I mean the queuing tickets that has successfully consulted by doctors. So we have canceled here. So this is the canceled queuing tickets. The no-show, this is the queuing tickets that goes to paging, but they didn't show to the doctors, so they mark it as no-show. Okay, the next is I copy paste it to my Excel. So I have raw data here. Okay, so I only take the date, office, and process queuing tickets. So I make a unique ID here. So it is just a concatenate of date and office. I clean the data with the unique ID, and the rest of the details will be VLOOKUP from raw data page. Okay, and then next is I need to identify what week the date belongs to. So for example, January 2, the January 2 obviously belongs to first week of the month. So this is not the typical date divided by 4, because the common knowledge is the month is composed of 4 weeks. Well, in calendar weeks, usually the end of the end of the week was pushed to the 5th week, because the first day of the month started on middle or last of the week. So there. So example, January 28, it said it belongs to 5th week. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, so it belongs to 5th week. Okay, so after computing the date of what weeks it belongs to the month, I got the maximum processes. Why maximum processes? Sometimes there are multiple entries for same date and same office. So and our identifier for the usability for clinics is at least one successful queued tickets, at least one. So if adult ortho only use at least one, and it's successfully consulted by the doctor, it will consider it as 100% usability. So I don't have to sum all the double entries, but just get of at least more than 0, or at this point I get the maximum. So after getting the maximum value of double entry of unique ID, I will determine if that what percentage it contributes for the whole week. So we have 5 business days here. So if I only need to get the percentage of the week, so I have 5 days, 100% will be divided to 5, it will be 20. So it means if one clinic has one successful queued ticket, it contributes 20% of the usability for the whole week. So it means if it is only 20% or 0. Okay, so there I have a coloring codes here to determine which data entries has 0 contributions. Okay, after that I will proceed to pivoting. So as you can see here, we have rows of clinics here: the first week, the second week, third week to fifth week. So in the first week, this is the I have month of January here. This will be the monitoring interface for the head of all the clinics. It will gives him a tool to pick out which clinics follows the queuing process implementation. So we have rows of clinics here. Next is weeks. This January composed of 5 weeks. So 1 week. So as you can see, the other ortho in the first week has 20% of usage. The second week is 40% of usage, and the rest of the week the clinic didn't use the implementation. Didn't use the queuing system. So for this month, the adult ortho has only 12% of usage of our system. So another example is the hand clinic. Let's say in medical social. So in this medical social, the first week they only use the system for 20% of it. Second is 40%. Third week 60. Fourth week 80, and then another 60. And for the whole month, they only use almost half of this, or the percentage, or rather the 52%. They only use 52% of our system. Okay. So I put on the grand total for the sake of grand total. Okay, it doesn't mean anything actually. Okay, I have February here. So you can see February, the first business operating day start in second week of the February. We consider it as first week of the February. So it only composed of 4 weeks. That's why it has only 4 weeks. So it means the formula will be divided to 400. Okay. In the March. The April, I didn't finish the April because the last entry is April 15. So you need to have to render the whole month of April for me to compute the April. Okay, so that's it.